Hello guys, it's me Karen, and today I wanna show you a cool modification that you can play with in CS2 with new Overwatch system. Nobody will definitely ban you for using this modification by VAC or by Overwatch because it's really legit. You can find it on our website, this link will be in the description. Here just find this modification, external X1 free, click it and you will be able to navigate to its page. Here you can view its screenshots, how it looks like in the game. There are a lot of features, but not all of them are free. Free features are only wallhack like ESP and other minor settings, but everything else like aimbot, skin changer and else is paid. So today we are viewing the free version of this modification. Okay, to download it you just need to press this download button, then click download and select the installation path. For me it will be default downloads folder, I click save. And once installer is downloaded, I can close my browser, like this, and I can open this installer. Okay, here I'm just selecting the installation mode. I'll select instant, because I don't need to configure anything. I'm okay with the default settings. Okay, now I can click launch ExLoader.
I'll get that mixed up.
And in the main menu, I'm shown all the changes in the library while I was absent. As you see, a lot of mods were updated, some were added, so I'll just click OK, navigate to the game screen, and here I need to find CS2 game. Once I'm here, I'll see all modifications for this game, and right now we are reviewing this X1 free modification. So I'll just open it, I can zoom its screenshots with a mouse wheel, I can literally preview all the features, I can read the reviews, I can read description, well, whatever I want. And to launch it, I just click launch button, then I'm shown this info that not all features are free and some of them are paid. So here I just can see which features are free. I can click OK and wait for the game to be launched. So okay, once your game is launched, you will see this icon in your taskbar. You can just click it and you'll see progress of this modification's launch. It might freeze for a few seconds, so you have to wait, I don't know, 10-15 seconds while it's implementing modifications model in the game. Well, it's actually external modification, it just initializes driver and some other stuff, it doesn't inject anything into your game. And once it's finished, you will be navigated to your game window automatically and you'll see this X1 beta text in your corner. Okay, now I can open the modifications menu. Key button is shown in the ExLoader, just this one more, I think, insert key button. If you have a laptop, then you'll have to press two buttons actually, FN plus insert, but that's only for laptops. I can click OK, I can minimize my ExLoader, and I can see that modification is really opened with this insert key button. So now I just load to some map and test modifications features. Okay, so I loaded to the map, I can already see that visuals are working, they're working on my teammates and enemies. Of course, we can disable them for enemies, for teammates, we can change their colors, I'll just show you everything right now. So I'll just navigate to the bots, open modifications menu, and by default we are in the visuals tab. Here we can enable or disable visuals, we can enable only enemy, and as you see, teammates are now not visible. Okay, we can also set up only visible enemies, but right now this feature is not working because yesterday there was an Overwatch update and not all features are yet updated, but it's going to be fixed soon, so you'll be able to use it once this video is released. Okay, we can also change how the visuals are rendered in the game or on your screen. Just test these mods if you have low FPS in your game. Okay, now let's try to set up colors for our enemies. For example, right here we have box ESP. We just select any color we want right here, and as you can see, now color is changed. Same thing we can do for color when enemy is not visible, but right now this feature is not working, so I'll just set up color for this feature. Okay, we have also a MISC tab where these features are free. For example, we can enable OBS bypass, and when you capture game with OBS, when you capture actual game, not your whole window, not your whole monitor, then nobody will see ESP in your recording. Second feature is key binding. We can key bind the menu button. For example, I'll just switch to home tab, and now it's working with this button. One more thing is hiding button, and when you press it, modification will be hidden from the game. Okay, one more thing is unload button, and it actually fully unloads your modification from the game, from the system, so that you can pass any community server check when you are asked to do so by some moderator. And one more feature is sniper crosshair. You can enable it, and you'll be able to see some dot on your screen when you switch to your AWP or some other weapon that has this feature. But right now I see nothing because this feature is not yet working after yesterday's update, but this will be fixed soon. So okay, I think that's it. There are not much free features, but this is pretty enough to play with legit style in matchmaking, and so that you will not be banned by Overwatch or by VAC system. This modification is really secure because it uses driver mode, and driver mode modifications are not seen by VAC. So don't forget to leave your feedback with modification in our application. Just do it right here, press your mark, add your review, and duplicate your comment under this video, so that you can help us to understand that you really need these modifications. Okay, it was Karen. Bye.